Hello, my dear students of class 9th. Dear students, today this digital video will provide you the knowledge of the MCQ. And dear student, let us start MCQ from the chapter tissue. So let us start the uh, starting the MCQ. And question number 1: which one of the following tissue has dead cells? That is sclerenchyma. Girth of the stem increases due to the lateral meristem. A person met with an accident in which the two long bones of his hand were dislocated. Which among the following may be the possible reason? That is because of the ligament break. While doing work and running, you move your organs like hands, legs, etc. Which among the following is correct? So correct answer is the skeletal muscles contract and pull the tendon to move the bone. Which muscle act involuntarily? So the muscle act involuntarily, that is the smooth muscle and cardiac muscle. So 2 and 3 will be the correct answer. Dear student, come to the next question, that is the 6. Which is not a function of epidermis? So epidermal function, that is the conduction of water. And 7, select the incorrect sentences. That is the tendons are non-fibrous tissue and fragile. Tendons are non-fibrous tissue and fragile. This is the incorrect sentence. Come to next, that is the cartilage is not found in kidney. Cartilage that is not found in the kidney. 9, bone matrix is rich in the calcium and phosphorus. So calcium and phosphorus, that is the main ingredient of the bone matrix. 10, contractile proteins are found in muscles. So contractile proteins are found in muscles. Nervous tissue is found in tendons. Nervous tissue that is found in tendons. Nerve cells does not contain tendons. The muscular tissue which function throughout the life continuously without fatigue is cardiac muscle. And 14, which of the following cell is found in the cartilaginous tissue of the body? That is the chondrocytes. 15, the dead element present in the phloem is phloem fiber. The dead element that is present in the phloem is the phloem fiber. Which of the following does not lose their nucleus at maturity? That is the companion cell. Which of the following does not lose their nucleus at maturity? That is the companion cell. 17, in desert plants, rate of water loss gets reduced due to the presence of cuticle. Now 18, a long tree has several branches. The tissue that help in the sideway conduction of water in the branches is, that is xylem vessel. If the tip of sugarcane plant is removed from the field, even then it keeps on the growth length. It is due to the presence of intercalary meristem. It is due to the presence of intercalary meristem. Now 20, a nail is inserted in the trunk of a tree at a height of 1 meter from the ground level. After 3 years, the nail will remain at the same position. Okay, nail will be in the remain, that will be in the same position, but due to the height it will be upward somehow. So parenchyma cells are relatively unspecified and thin walled. Relatively unspecified and thin walled. Okay. Flexibility in plant is due to the collenchyma. Cork cells are made impervious to water and grass by the presence of suberin. Cork cells are made impervious to water and grass by the presence of suberin. Students, question number 24, that is the survival of plant in terrestrial environment has made possible by the presence of conducting tissue. Then choose the wrong statements. 25. The wrong statement is the epithelial tissue have intercellular spaces between them. 26. Find out the incorrect sentences. That is, the apical and intercalary meristem are permanent tissue. Apical and intercalary meristem are the permanent tissue. This is the wrong statement. Incorrect statement. Which cell does not have perforated cell wall? That is the trachea. Which cell does not have perforated cell wall? That is the trachea. And 28. Intestine absorb the digested food material. What type of epithelial cells are responsible for that? That is the columnar epithelium. 29. Meristematic tissue in plants are localized and dividing cells. Then fat are stored in the human body as adipose tissue. Now come to next question, that is the 31. Voluntary muscles are found in limbs. Then 32. Which of the following helps in repair tissue and fill up the space inside the areolar, inside the organ, that is the areolar. Means areolar का मतलब ये होता है कि विभिन्न ऑर्गन के बीच में जो स्पेस होता है, that is called the areolar tissue. Now 33. The water conducting tissue generally present in the gymnosperm is tracheids. Tracheids are the water conducting tissue in the gymnosperms. So students, these are the MCQs, question answer, that is from the chapter tissue. And dear student, we will discuss through, we will go through the some other question answer also in the next video, and let us highlight some points in this video. Dear student, come to the question number 1. Which of the following tissue has dead cells? As you know, the parenchyma, collenchyma are the living cell, while sclerenchyma is the dead cell. So answer will be the sclerenchyma. Girth of stem increases due to the lateral meristem. The apical meristem provide the growth in height. Intercalary meristem provide the branching, and lateral meristem provide the girth of the stem. अ पर्सन मेट इन एक्सीडेंट, जैसे किसी आदमी का एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, उसकी हड्डी जो है डिसलोकेट हो जाती है, तो हड्डी को जोड़ने काम करती है लिगामेंट. तो इसमें आंसर होगा लिगामेंट ब्रेक. ठीक है. चौथा जो है द रॉन्ग एंड रनिंग, द वाइल डूइंग वर्क एंड रनिंग you move your organ like hands, legs, etc. Which among the following is incorrect? So incorrect is that is a skeletal muscle contract and pull the tendons to move the bones. And 5, which muscle act involuntarily? So smooth muscle and cardiac muscle, these two are involuntarily, while others are striated and skeletal muscle, these are the voluntary muscle and they act according to the will of the human. स्टूडेंट्स थोड़ा और एक्सप्लेन करते हैं इसमें. बोन मैस्ट्रिक्ट दैट इज रिच इन द कैल्शियम एंड फास्फोरस. तो कार्टिलेज दैट इज नॉट फाउंड इन किडनी, जबकि ईयर, नोज और लैरिंग्स में पाए जाते हैं. नर्व सेल डज नॉट कंटेन द टेंडन्स, टेंडन्स जो होती है नर्व सेल में नहीं होती है. नर्व टिश्यू इज नॉट फाउंड इन टेंडन्स, टेंडन्स में नर्व टिश्यू नहीं होते हैं. मस्कुलर टिश्यू विच फंक्शन थ्रू आउट द लाइफ कंटिन्यूसली दैट इज द कार्डियक मसल टिश्यू. बाकी कोई नहीं होता है. कार्डियक मस्कुलर टिश्यू एक बार स्विच ऑन होती है तो चलती रहती है. देन द नेम ऑफ द कार्टिलेजिनस सेल, कार्टिलेजिनस टिश्यू ऑफ द बॉडी दैट इज द कॉन्ट्रोसाइट्स. क्योंकि इसमें जो ऑस्टियोसाइट्स होती है वो ऑस्टियोसाइट्स क्या होती है, ऑस्टियोसाइट्स होती है बोन सेल्स होती है, और कार्टिलेज टिश्यू जो कार्टिलेजिनस टिश्यू होता है वो कॉन्ड्रोसाइट्स होता है. कॉन्ड्रोसाइट सेल्स कहते हैं उसको. और थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करते हैं बच्चों. तो इसमें 15 द डेड एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट इन द फ्लोएम इज फ्लोएम फाइबर एंड the which of the following does not lose their muscle at maturity. तो मैच्योरिटी पे मसल कौन लूज नहीं करती, दैट इज द कंपेनियन सेल्स. इन डेजर्ट प्लांट रेट ऑफ वाटर लॉस गेट रिड्यूस ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ क्यूटिकल. Then 18, a long tree has several branches. A long tree has several branches. The tissue that helps in the sideway conduction of water, that is due to the xylem vessels. 19, the tip of the sugarcane plant is removed from the field, even then it keeps on a growth length. It is due to the presence of intercalary meristem. Now 20, a nail is inserted in the trunk of the tree at a height of 1 meter from the ground level. After 3 years, the nail will remain at the same place, same position. तो बच्चों इस तरीके से आप अगर इसको एक्सप्लेनेटरी बनाओगे तो एक्सप्लेनेशन करते करते आप इसका उत्तर अच्छे तरीके से दे पाओगे. सर्वाइवल ऑफ द प्लांट इन टेरेस्ट्रियल इन्वायरमेंट दैट हैज बीन मेड पॉसिबल बाय द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द कंडक्टिंग टिश्यू, प्रेजेंस ऑफ द कंडक्टिंग टिश्यू. तो कंडक्टिंग टिश्यू रहता है तभी जो है टेरेस्ट्रियल में ये सर्वाइव करते हैं, क्योंकि वाटर और मिनरल एब्जॉर्ब करते रहते हैं. In this question 25, all the statements are correct and right, but the epithelial tissue have intercellular spaces between them. This is the wrong answer, wrong statement. Then find out the incorrect sentences, that is the apical and intercalary are the permanent tissue. This is the incorrect sentence, incorrect statement. And now see, the meristematic tissue in the plants are localized and dividing cells. Then dear students, this is the one more. Fat are stored in human body as adipose tissue. तो फैट जो होती है ह्यूमन बॉडी में एडिपोज टिश्यू की तरह काम करती है. Dear student, voluntary muscles are found in limbs. तो voluntary muscle जो होती है वो लिम्ब में पाई जाती है. 32, which of the following helps in repair tissue of the fill up the space inside the organ, that is the areolar. And last one, the water conducting tissue generally present in the gymnosperm, that is the trachea. So student, these are the question answer MCQ that has been taken from the chapter tissue. In the next video the other question answer will be conducted. Thank you. Good day.